Okay, just to recap what we went through before lunch, right? So I taught you guys how to create a page. It's here. And how to publish a page. And then how to create a menu. A menu. And about the sub menu and a sub menu. Yeah, I hope that you guys had a chance to try out on your own lah. Then also the icons or the elements, how to use them and the purposes. So now, right, I'm not sure if you guys have any question or you guys have tried out all the functions lah. So right now I'll just go through this, how to create the exact same design that you see here, okay? So actually, whatever design that you have on your screen right now, you can also try to recreate the new demo yourself to see if you, to test like if you understand what you learned early on. Yeah. Okay, so for now I need to create this text. But first of all, you actually have two columns here. So I'll create a two column row, which is under grid. Then I drag. Yeah, so you can see now the row has been split up into two columns. Then I create a text. And I type download the mobile app or subscribe. So, okay, so now you see, right, the difference is the fonts, and that is bolder and it's much bigger lah. Another difference you see, right, you can you know the dotted line box, gray color one, as compared to this, right, this is actually quite longer. So what you need to do, right, is to remember that I mentioned about the margin and all. Yeah, so here that's where you can adjust. Yeah, then after that change the font to bigger size font. Stay in touch. And I bold it. Yeah. And I changed it to black. Okay, so now you can see it's kind of similar now, just that it's over past 36. Okay, so it is 36. Yeah, so it should look similar now, just that I think the spacing is smaller. Okay, so now they actually have this username or email, and there's this subscribe button. So remember just now the form that we just went through before lunch. You can just drag out and put it here. Then appear like that. Yeah. So what they would want is username or email and a subscribe button. Okay, so I'll delete this email or username or email. And this one I delete. The last one is subscribe. Oh. Okay. So how do we move this above to be like that? Okay, so what I can do now is, you can see you can adjust, right? This one you adjust to be smaller, and you can see that it automatically goes up to the first row. Yeah, and now you can see actually here is a bit rounded. You can see like there's a rounded border, right? So how to do that is to go to this one, go to the first icon and go under advanced. I mean background, and you increase the corner. Yeah, so now you can see it's a bit rounded now. I think they put I do the same for the subscribe button as well. Okay, so that's all for the button. What's this? Okay, then another text. Anyway, don't worry, only good and interesting stuff. Spam free. Okay, then here they have an image. So we add an image, drag it here, and then select. Yeah, so you can see actually this is way bigger than this. So what you learn just now, to resize, just drag. Edit my image. Then you adjust the height and the width to make sure that it's showing everything and not cut off. So it's around this bigger. Can you read this size? Okay, smaller. Okay. Then now I have to add the background color. You hover your mouse over at the start of the new block, and you press on this black color icon. Then go to the third icon. Then you can select the coins. Yeah, this color. You can see there's like the spaces between this module and this module, this element and this element is uh, shorter than here. So what they do, right, they actually insert a space in between. Remember this spacer thing? Yeah, so you can insert below. You can see that there's a space in between these two elements. And I think they did the same with the second one as well. So now you can see how this was made. And of course, this one I can remove the icon if you do want. Yeah, so that's how you remove an icon. Yeah, and you guys have any questions? So far, still okay, right? I'm not sure what kind of templates you guys have right now. So maybe you guys can have 10 minutes to try out duplicating whatever template that you have on your screen right now. Yeah. Then if any question, you can just type in a group or voice out, and I can help you. Okay, so we'll be back at 15 minutes lah, so 2:30. Okay. Yeah, I don't know whether you guys got the same problem with pinning also. So just now she was asking me like how to add a column. Okay, so when you add a new block, right? You should have this blank and this like dotted line box here. So this is actually a row. Then how you add a column? You should just drag this column over and you yeah, leave out your fingers lah. So it should appear here already. Then if you want to add a new row, you can just drag over and leave it. Yeah, then let's say you want to have only one column. You just leave it and will come around column. And if you have more than two columns, you can put this plus sign and will come a 3-column row. Yeah. Okay. No one else got any other questions, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to like just duplicate your template lah. And what about any difficulties of duplicating your own template? If yes, can put in the chat lah. If don't have, also just put in the chat so I can move on. Yeah. Everyone okay? There's like no response. Uh, okay. Okay. So actually just now I was looking for templates, right? That can help to explain more icons lah, maybe more elements. Yeah, so I found this template and it actually uses like the just now I mentioned about the icon box, right? Yeah, so this template actually use icon box. I think they are actually selling like some program or system lah, like Macs and all. Yeah. So you can actually use this icon to let the viewers know, I mean visitor know like what are the what is it called, details of like let's say this package, the free trial package and the professional package. Yeah, so I'll show you like how they actually create these lah. Just that just this segment itself. Okay, so you can see there's like the blue box, right? So it's actually another two column, a different column. So you don't need to do that, just watch, then later maybe after the lesson you can also go practice and all. So actually this one need a lot of practices lah. Yeah, so I'll show you first. So firstly they got a free trial. And you can see actually there's like a space, there's like a space here, right? So you can do is you go to the system, more setting, then you push your margin to here and your padding as well. Yeah, then it's bold, then it's black. I think it's the font size a bit bigger so. Okay, so that's for the line height can just do small. Okay, so next is the icon box. I'll drag down. You should see this. I'll do a button for now lah. So you remove the button. Then the icon, I can change it from here. Click on the star and you can change the icon. So that was a tick, right? What's that? Checkbox. Yeah, actually, I just use this tick. Then will change here. Then you can adjust the size of your icon as well. Yeah. Requires Mac OS X 10. Windows. Okay. Then after that, you're gonna move. Sorry. You move. Okay, towards the end. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, I might just do this first. Then copy, copy. So after that, you change this icon to a X icon. Wrong. I don't know where to find. You scroll. Across. No. Okay, anyway, just take it as a cross. Then after that, will change. Yeah, so it's the same for here. So, and the button works the same way as the above one. Yeah. Okay. Then next one is the same thing like the form here, just that it's the difference between this and this, obviously here got more things to fill. So actually the way you create this is the same way also. Yeah. Just that you need to adjust the width and all to make sure that it looks like that. Okay, so I'll just show you the form. Then you can see actually there's like this shadow thing. You can see that the box stand out, right? Yeah, so I'll show you how to do that. So yeah, so this is the background. Then let me. Then after that, insert the column. You can see that this column actually is longer. Okay, okay, never mind. Restart column. Then I drag this to make it longer. And in the form. Yeah, so the first one they ask for is male, then first name and last name. And to make it side by side, right, it's also is to adjust the width. So you can see that it's already, it went up. Okay, then you also have the subject. And write something. The type can put a paragraph so that the box actually is bigger. Yeah. Okay, then here's the submit message and the icon. Okay, let's see it's this lah. I can't really find the icon. Yeah. Okay, then change the color to black and the text to white. Yeah. So it's like the same thing now. Okay. Then for the border, right, can we add a background color first to make it more obvious. Okay, so you want to have this white color background for this column only. So what you can do is you go to the blue color section and you and you change the background color to white. So you can see that actually out of the element, right, the background is actually white color. Yeah. Then you can also make it oh, make it bigger. You make it more rounded. Yeah. Then the shadow effect, right, is under the color as well. Under shadow. So you put a darker. Yeah, so you can see actually there's this shadow behind, right? Yeah, the shadow effect. Okay. So next, you see whenever you hover over this tree, right, the white become turquoise background. So what this does is you let your viewers know that you actually that they are actually selecting this box. Yeah, so to do that, how to do that, right, is simply, okay, let's me, can I use this? I'll do a random text, okay. Then you put a background. I'll put a green color or pink. Put pink. Then one whenever I hover, right, you'll change to let's say black or gray. So you see it actually changes color, right? So how you do that is you select the one below the dot. Yeah, so whatever you change here is actually changing the um hovering background colors. Yeah. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, so basically that's all you need to know for all the elements lah. You just need to play around with it and get more familiar with all of the elements and when to use it and when not to use it. Yeah, okay, so now I'll show you like the different interfaces. But now let me just delete whatever I do first. Okay, so now this is actually the contents that you have on your desktop view. Okay, so when it actually you change to your, let's say the tablet view, right, it looks very different. Like you see this one like a bit ugly, right? So you need to adjust accordingly um to fit the tablet interface. Oh, what did I press? Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So what you can do is I keep pressing the hide button. Adjust the size. Select all the adjust slide. I mean the size. And then let the spacing. Yeah, just to make sure that it looks nicer when people you enter your website using tablet lah. Yeah, so you need to make sure that all of the interface, including the mobile, right, is very user friendly. Yeah, so there's a difference lah. So actually, wherever you edit, let's say I'm in a tablet view, right, and I edit the size, right, it won't affect the interface for mobile and desktop. Yeah, so you can just adjust accordingly to the each of the interface dimensions. Yep. So something like that lah. To ensure that it's more user friendly, and then um it's easier for the people to see whenever they access through mobile, tablet, or desktop. Okay, so going back to desktop, I'll now teach you how to make this page your front page, because like you have a lot of pages, right? Then what is the first page that you want your viewers to see when they enter to your website? Yeah, so to do that, you have to go under settings, then go under reading. Then you can see your homepage display, right? So by default, right, your one will be selected under your latest post. So actually, they will display what's in your post here instead of what is in your pages. But of course, we never use any post. Post is more of like for bloggers lah, and we mostly use page. So that's why we need to like manually go into settings, reading, and change it to a static page. Yeah. Then your homepage, right, you can select the page that you want to make it lah. So for now, my one is home. Then the post one you can just ignore because we don't have any posts. Yeah. Then you save the changes. Then when you go back to your pages, right, it should be labeled there, front page. Yeah. So you click to home. So this will be the oh, it's nice. This will be the first page that your visitors will see when they come into your website. Yeah. Okay. Any issues or anything or any questions? And remember that whenever you make whenever you make a change to your page, right, must always update. Not be gone if you don't update. Yeah. Then if you decide to hide your page, right, you can just save to draft first and don't publish it. Yeah. Got any questions? Okay. Mm, yeah, so I think whatever that you guys should know, I already taught you guys. Then let me see for what. Or is there anything that you guys want to learn or like curious about? Yeah, remember last now I was talking about the plugin, right? About the updates. So actually you can just put auto updates lah. So then you don't need to keep checking. Yeah. Up to you whether you want to enable it or not lah. there's not much differences. Yeah, so if there's nothing else, right, actually day 3 is done as well. We come to the end of the class. Yay! You guys legit no questions. Okay, then nothing else lor. Can go already if you want. Welcome. Oh, WooCommerce. WooCommerce. Can I say WooCommerce? WooCommerce is for your products lah. If you want to sell anything, like you put in your uh product type, and let's say you're selling books, then so can you have to have a store details first lah. But for now, we have store details, so I can't really demonstrate for you guys. Yeah, but mostly it's used for a online store. Then you can input your items and products into the website as well. Yeah. Okay. No more question you can leave. Yeah, good job guys. Let's remember to
Thank you.
thank you. Let's remember to keep practicing.
Hey, I got one question to ask. For example, if you want to subscribe to email, then those emails, how do we collect all the data from?
Subscribe to email.
Like, for example, you create a page. Okay, I want to collect those people come to my page and subscribe to my page. Then how do I know this email go to where? Do I need to set all this?
Okay, let me see.
The second page? First page? First page? Or whatever, just here, the forms that you created. Icon box.
Like this one.
Yes.
I think we have to set up our own, right, to set up an email. Yeah.
Oh,
But because I'm
okay.
still quite new to this lah, so I don't really know. But if
Okay.
want to collect,
Collect the data.
use Google Forms more. Yeah.
Okay, you know how to set the display only lah. Okay, never mind, it's okay. Thank you.
Everybody, must I do disable the thing so that I do not need to pay? Yeah, you mean the 30 days free trial, is it? Yeah, I need to disable it, but before they even ask you to pay, they need your credit card details so like if you don't input also, they can't charge you. Yeah, just that they'll just immediately take down your website yeah. Yeah, okay, any more questions? Bye.
No more. Bye.
Bye.